Ever wonder how channels are pulling in hundreds of thousands of views posting summaries of movies they didn't even film? It's called YouTube automation, and today I'm showing you the exact workflow to build a viral movie recap channel using AI. From generating the script to editing the final cut in minutes, let's break it down. Step 1 is your script. A viral recap needs a killer hook in the first 15 seconds, followed by a fast-paced breakdown of the plot without any boring lulls. You can use tools like RecapGen or AI text assistants to outline the movie's major plot twists, climax, and resolution. Keep the sentences short and punchy so it reads smoothly. Step 2. Visuals. You need clean movie trailers, teaser clips, or high-res promotional stills. You can find these on databases like MovieBox or YouTube itself. Remember to keep individual clips short, under 3 to 5 seconds, and heavily edit them with zooms, transitions, or text overlays to ensure your video falls under fair use commentary and transformation. Step 3 is your audio. A monotone voice will kill your retention instantly. Head over to ElevenLabs, choose a dynamic, expressive voice model, like a deep cinematic narrator, and paste your script segment by segment. Generate the audio and drop it right into your timeline. Step 4 is where the magic happens: editing. Bring your voiceover and movie clips into CapCut. Sync the clips to match what the narrator is describing. Add auto captions with cool, bold fonts and animations. Throw in some subtle, suspenseful background music, and add sound effects for every scene transition to keep viewers glued to the screen. And that's it. Export your video in 1080p or 4K, design a high CTR thumbnail showing an intense scene from the film, and upload it to YouTube Studio. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which movie I should recap next. See you in the next one.